Oh, she trusts you. She trusts you just as much as she trusts anyone else. Who better to betray her than you? How could someone get that close to him to plant an explosive and not get caught? Especially all that security detail on him. Like what? Do you want to be taller, shorter, blonde? I mean, I can dye my hair. Now run along, dick. Don't let the door hit in the ass. It definitely does. And the only thing I despise more than an agent with an ego is an agent with an ego. Fuck you, motherfucker. I'm not saying jack. And do you realize this girl's fabricated lie is destroying my family and it could cost me my job?